Hello everyone. In this video we learn about the setting option of the TailorBook app. For accessing the setting, click on the three parallel lines, then go to the settings. Then we can see there are many more settings options like journal setting, order setting, invoice and inventory setting, customization, shop setting, backup and recovery, account, subscription and invite. So we can go through the one by one each setting overview. First of all, we go into the journal settings. In the journal setting, we can see these options: theme, language, and biometric lock. By theme, we can set our theme in light and dark mode. By the language, we can select the any language like Hindi, English, Tamil, Gujarati, and the biometric lock. If we put our fingerprint on the TailorBook app, then biometric lock you can access by enabling on it. Then we go to the order setting. First of all, default setting, message settings. You can see the default message by editing these segments like default message delivery, default message due, amount customers. You can set all the default messages there. Now delivery order despair setting. If you enable the delivery order despair setting, you set many days after the order will disappear. Order date and barcode setting. In the order date or barcode setting, we can set our remind dates, trial dates, and barcode orders. After the enabling, these options are shown when we create our orders. Then the autofill date. In this autofill date, if I set to the duration, then it's take the autofill by use this direction those you set in this option. Like today, if I see today, if today I create the order, then I set the after the 2 days me remind date. Then if you no need to put remind date when you create the orders, is already take by this option. Then the share measurement. You can share the you can share the R measurements of the customers by the worker working by this options, or you can share only the measurements, or you can share the additional information and measurement. You can select the option and use this setting. Now is always change price. After the enabling this setting, you can change your cloth category price at any time by turning features. If you enable this, you can change anytime your price. Thank you.